Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a melting basket for this coming up week, which is about to be March 1st, tomorrow. So hopefully I can get this uploaded today. I mean, not that it matters, but tomorrow's March 1st. And I saw my friend Ramona do a March themed melting basket, which was all green in color. I didn't follow that exactly, and I think she got the idea from someone named Danny XO. I went and searched out her channel and I wasn't subscribed, so I did subscribe, I think. I think I watched one of her videos and subscribed, but if I didn't subscribe, I'll go back and subscribe today. Okay, so anyways, I think she started the challenge, but I've seen these themes before where people do I'm trying to think who it was. Maybe was it Christy? Was that you who did maybe a certain scent or a certain theme or something? I don't know. I've seen it before. Maybe Liz. I don't know. It doesn't matter. So what I did is, instead of doing I did pull mostly green wax now that I'm looking at it, but I did kind of I pulled out marshmallow, you know, because of Lucky Charms. I did pull Lucky Lemons from Super Tarts, marshmallow, and then I did a rainbow of colors. I picked clamshells that were red, white, or no, red, orange, yellow, green, blue. I don't think I had a purple, but I did kind of like that, and you'll see that in a minute. So let's go ahead and dig in. I'm not going to do a warm reviews yet on last week's basket because I have a crap ton of spring cleaning to do. And yeah, I just don't have the time. Yesterday, my husband was off and we decided to pull down blinds and take them outside and pressure wash them. And we also moved our couch, which is one of those weird, it's like an L-shaped couch. It's pretty big. And yeah, it locks together, so you can it's like a modular thing. You can add different parts so you can make your own couch kind of thing, and that's what we did. But in order to clean it, you have to take it apart. And I can't believe some of this stuff. It's not as bad as the girl that I watched on YouTube who did it. She had a ton of crap underneath her couch. Ours was okay considering it's been a while since I've gotten deep. So yeah, we did that. And then he would take the blinds out and pressure wash them while I washed the windows or cleaned the windows and vacuumed around them and stuff. And if you haven't cleaned your blinds in a while, seriously, when you start moving them, you see a lot of dust. It wasn't too bad in the kitchen, but our bedroom where the dog sleeps, yeah, it was bad. So it felt good to get that done. So let's go ahead and start in the clamshells. So you'll see I pulled a lot of laundry, and I'll show you the little rainbow thing I've got going on here. So the first thing I grabbed is this red lava citrus, and this is Better Homes and Gardens. You guys know I've recently figured out Better Homes and Gardens and Walmart wax in general. This is to me, this is a grapefruit scent. I love grapefruit with laundry, and I used to have a vendor who made red grapefruit laundry, but I don't purchase from them anymore. So I think I'm going to try to mix this with some laundry. So let me see if I can get that in the shot there, so that way you can see the rainbow effect happening here. Okay, the next one I grabbed, since I will be doing a lot of cleaning, is Meyers Lemon Basil. And this is a really nice, this is not a cleaner lemon to me. It's a really fresh, authentic lemon, and you can smell the basil. I think I'm smelling the basil, but this actually smells like a fresh cut lemon. It's kind of amazing. So there's orange yellow. Oh wait, no, it's kind of reddish, then orange, and then this one is yellow. Oh, I grabbed mango sorbet limoncello. And I was watching somebody on YouTube the other day that said the mango was really strong in this one. I don't smell a lot of mango, so I'm interested to see how mango that is. So I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's yellow. And then I have kind of a light green and then a dark green. So I pulled this one out. This is Phantom Queen from the Bathing Garden. I have this bin of wax that I pulled for fall. I did a big fall melting basket, and that was in there. I've been trying to go in that bin because I pulled a lot of fall stuff, and I was I need to get in there. This is what is this? Oh, this is like a, this is that like coffee scent, I think. Like a, is that clove? Anyways, there's the inside of that. I always like to show like the glitter. I don't know why. Okay. So anyway, so that is the like lighter green. And then of course for March, I mean leprechaun seems pretty appropriate. I hope the lighting isn't too bad in here. It's like 5 a.m. The dog woke me up at 2:30. Crazy. But anyways, this is, you can't see it. It's Irish Springs, 4-leaf clovers, and white tea. I almost said green tea. I don't know why. I don't know. Does that help see? Okay, doesn't matter. This one is just good. This is a great, fresh, like clean, kind of soapy. You kind of get the white tea. This one's really good. I like this one. Does anybody remember this movie Leprechaun? The first time I saw it was like a few years ago. And I didn't know Jennifer Aniston was in it. So I'm sitting there watching it. I'm like, holy crap. I'm like, that's Jennifer Aniston. What the hell is she doing in this? Like it was a really bad, like it was kind of a cheesy movie. I don't know. I haven't seen it in a while. But then we have One Tree Hill, which is fresh mint leaf and raindrops. I've had this one for a bit. So I've never seen One Tree Hill, surprisingly. So I don't know what the 23 means, but I don't know. I like fresh mint leaf, and yeah, I think I do still like a rain. So that is my rainbow of clams. Let's see if we can get that stacked up right. I don't know why, but so there's my rainbow of clams. Or at least the ones that I kind of picked out for this. Okay, so I had some like empties that were just kind of like staring at me. So these are kind of green-ish. So I have Buffy, which is rosemary, mint, and lemonade. I just thought this would be a really great scent for the kitchen area while I'm cleaning it today. Buffy's a great scent. And then I have this little bit of Prince Caspian left. It's kind of green-ish. You can't really tell on camera, but kind of got like a little tinge of, well, it's actually kind of gray, but whatever. So that's Prince Caspian, and this is sandalwood, fresh picked strawberries, and peonies, or peonies. Sandalwood, fresh picked strawberries, and that one's good. I'm trying to think when the last time was that I warmed that. I don't remember. Why are we going out of focus here? Come on. Come back into focus. Okay. It's probably kind of dark in here. So I found this, and I guess I was keeping the Little Mermaid, so I'm going to warm the Little Mermaid in the bathroom. This is Mermaid Tears by the Bathing Garden. I don't have a scent description on there, but I will get one before I do a warm review. And then this one I pulled out. I've pulled it out several times. I just need to put it in like the bedroom or the bathroom. This is a great scent. This is Holiday Woods from L3. I love this scent. This is like peppermint. Oh, I think it's pine. Maybe vanilla. I don't know. Really good scent though. My friend Lauren sent that to me. I had never had it before. Okay, so here's some of the green stuff that I found. So I have been... I don't know how long I've had this. It takes me forever to get through bags. I'm starting to figure out that I really like clamshells the best, to be honest. So coconut lime verbena zen from Rose Girls. And I got this from a D-Stash. I have 2 chunks of that left. And then I had this from the Easter, I don't know, was it last year or the year before? Twisted Peppermint White Clouds. I thought this would be a good one for cleaning. Some more green. I found Peppermint American Cream Frosted Cupcakes from Rose Girls. Peppermint blends are always good for cleaning days. Daydreamer. I forget what's in this one, to be honest. So one of the things that I found too while I was picking all green wax was a lot of my green wax is like fresh and I don't know, just stuff I wasn't really interested in. I was just kind of like, I don't want this. Oh, this one smells good. I forgot what's in here. Damn, that is good. Put this one through the whole house, actually. Oh, it smells really nice. This I have had forever, and I really like this scent. This is grapefruit green tea from Two Timing Tarte. This is like from 2016. We're gonna see if this baby still throws. It smells different than I remember it. I used to love this scent, but now I'm not sure what I'm smelling in there. I don't know if it's gone off or if it's still good, but we're gonna try it. So yeah, Two Timing Tarte is no longer, well, she's still Two Timing Tarte or something. I don't know, she's making, what is she making? I don't know, she's making something. So then I have this, Rose Girls Singing in the Rain, and I don't think I have scent descriptions on this. I need to get better about scent descriptions. Oh, this one smells good too. I hope I have some bakery around somewhere because I feel like I have, oh yeah, right here. So then I pulled yellow Lucky Lemons. This seemed appropriate. This is Lemon Curd and Magically Delicious, which is her house blend. What does she call it? Her Lucky Charms house blend. So this one to me smells really good. It's like a lemon cookie. That's what it always smells like to me when I'm warming it. I picked this one, obviously, because of the name, Lucky Lemons. Figured that was appropriate. And then I was kind of, when I was pouring, I was like, I don't have any purple for my rainbow, so I just grabbed Pop Art from BCS. I feel like I've had this forever. And this is a lemon cake topped with sweet blackberry ice cream. I remember I really liked this scent, so quite a bit of it. So there's one bakery, at least, right? I also pulled the Omen because I want to mix a lot of things with the Omen. So one of the things I picked up, so the Omen, if you don't know, I don't know if there's a scent description on there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it is basically like apple, what is it? Ocean Breeze, Vanilla Bean Oil, and Red Delicious Apples. This is just a good fresh scent. Okay, so I'm going to mix it with, I have a few ideas, but I've had these jars from Tiffany's for a while. I feel like I need to use them. So this is Rosemary Mint and Sinus Relief. I'm going to use the green Rosemary Mint. And I'm not sure when I'm going to use the Sinus Relief. And then also I have Ocean Waves and Clean Cotton. So I'll probably do the Clean Cotton with the Omen, possibly. And the Ocean Waves, I might just do them by themselves. I don't know. It could go in the, I don't know, they could just mix them together too as well. Like these two scents together smell really nice. Just stick that up there. Okay, and then also my feet are falling asleep. I wasn't thinking when I started this video. So I have also from Two Timing Tarte, I saved these Midnight Musks because they smell super good. It's like I'll just throw this in the bedroom. See how it does. This is just such a good scent. I don't even know how to describe it. I need to look up like a scent description. I'm sure I have one somewhere. And then I just have this small bag of lattes with Cookie Monster. Sorry, my stomach. I'm starving all this and why is it every time I start a video my stomach starts going nuts? I'm like, really? So this is lattes with Cookie Monster. Obviously there's the scent description. I have 2 cubes of that. And then I've had this bag of Sweater Weather forever. It was kind of on the greenish side, but I mean, this is when she first started potion packs and I've had this forever. I thought mixing this with the Omen might be kind of nice, or one of these ocean scents that I have. So there's that. And then I grabbed Marshmallow Fluff because I was thinking of like Lucky Charms and like marshmallow, and a lot of you recommended on my last video that strawberry fruity pebbles I had from Rose Girls. You guys mentioned mixing it with marshmallow, and I think I'm gonna try that. Marshmallow Fluff. Ah, this smells so good. Like, I love this marshmallow fluff that she does. I don't know what it is, but it just smells really amazing. I have a full bag, and this is pretty old. So I feel like this is older. I feel like I've had it for a while. And then, again, I just found another, like, random clam that I was like, oh, let's try to finish that out. This is Breaking Violet from Bathing Garden. And then the last thing I have is VCS Witch's Chair, which is Vermont Honey Apple. Let's see what color this is. I didn't look to see. Oh, that was a big party foul. Yeah, this is Vermont Honey Apple and Vanilla Lace. This smells freaking amazing. So this is purple, totally off color. But like I said, I'm not really sticking with the green theme. Oh, that smells so good. So I figure March is all month long, so I don't really need to pull for an entire month. I go weekly, so I just figured I'd try to pull green, a little bit more green every week. So that is Witch's Chair. That smells amazing. I remember I was trying to like go through this slowly because it just smells amazing. Okay, that's not really gonna say. Also, as a random act of kindness from Sasha, I got Mount Washington from Hayden Row. This smells freaking amazing. I felt like I needed to hit things with that. This is such a good scent. I literally cannot wait to like warm this. I don't even know what's in it, but I'm hoping it's as good as warm as it is on cold. She sent me a big quantity of this, so I'm hoping this will be good for like the cleaning days, and it's also green, so I thought that was like perfect. And then also she sent over, geez, there goes my stomach again. Fresh linen, which is kind of a greenish blue, but whatever. This one I'm gonna do by itself, but I also love mixing laundry. There are so many things you can mix with laundry. I mean, peppermint, you can mix like vanilla bean noel, you can do like the grapefruit, you can do like citrus scents. You can do lots of things with laundry. So I'm gonna go for it by itself, and then I'm going to try to mix it. You can mix like rosemary mint, like that rosemary mint I have back here. I can mix with that. So I'm gonna try to get creative. I need to, yeah. I need to just start turning on my warmer. Does anyone else do this out of curiosity? Do you turn your warmers on like first thing in the morning and just keep them going all day? Like if you're home, if you're not home, honestly, I have a big fear of leaving my warmers on when we're not home. I don't know why, even overnight. I don't like to leave warmers on overnight. I don't know why. Sometimes I do, like I'll take a nap if I'm in the same room with it, but I don't like to turn them on and leave them, if I'm not home. So, but what I feel like I should do is just turn on all my warmers and just keep them going all day, because I feel like I'm going super slow, like with the freezer method. Like I like the freezer method, but I feel like it takes forever to like round them all up, turn them off. You have to wait for them to solidify, take them to the freezer, let them sit in there for 5 to 10 minutes, take them out, let them like kind of thaw a little bit, and then redistribute them. So I don't know. All right, so that is, hopefully you can kind of see, yeah, I guess I'm all the way back, but hopefully you can kind of see there what I've got going on. So yeah, that should be a good melting basket for me for this week. And I will do warm reviews coming soon. Usually I do one before I do a new melting basket, but this time I felt like getting some new scents going, because I kind of find that I pick through my wax. I never stick fully with my melting basket. Like I'll kind of pick through it, and if I'm just not feeling something, then I'm just not feeling it, So anyways, okay, that is it, you guys. That is my melting basket for the next week. I will have a warm reviews coming up. I also have a bathing garden haul. I might do them separate because I'm getting two different orders from Bathing Garden. And then, yeah, and I have a video coming up tomorrow. So, okay, I'll see you guys later, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Okay, bye guys.